Let's draw Pochacco as bubble tea. Using a pencil, we will sketch the head of Pochacco. Okay, just make an arc upward and then make the cutie little face shaped. Add the hairline. In between the hairline, we can add a straw. Now we're making the eyes and the nose. The nose will be smaller than the eyes and make a little cheek there, right there. We will go ahead and draw the fluffy ears in both sides. I know it isn't clear, but later you're gonna see the outline. This time, let's focus on the boba cup. It seems like you are just writing a big letter U. Inside the cup, we're giving an illusion that there is a liquid inside the Pochacco boba's tea. Let's draw the straw as well. We will just directly align the straw that we draw on top of Pochacco's head. I find it fun adding the bubbles. Just the circles the way you want. We're adding stripes on the straw. And that's it. We're done with the sketching part of our kawaii version of Pochacco bubble tea. It's time for outline. This is so good about sketching first because when you're done with your sketching, it's so fast for you to do the outline. After we finish with the outlining, then we will go now to our coloring part. You can be creative on your color because you can choose the color of your choice. For the ears of Pochacco, I wanted to color it with black, but I finished my ink for the black color, so I use only the gray color. And for the bobas, as you can see, I color it green. And we're almost done, and that's basically it. Our Pochacco green boba tea. This is just the first part of Sanrio character challenge. See you on the next challenge.